Day 2 at the IFA was filled with glitz, glamour, flashes, fashion and a starry green carpet that surely raised the mercury levels high at Macau. Here's a look.
A glitzy and glossy red carpet with quite a few filmy stunners wrapped up the operations at IFA Macau yesterday. Today kickstarts with some celebrities palpitating over their performances and a grand fashion extravaganza.
Dressed in their evening best, the Bollywood stars stepped out to watch the world-famous Cirque du Soleil troupe perform here at the Venetian Macau. Take a look at all the glitterati who we caught up with on the green carpet. The hottest couple on the green carpet, we're joined by Abhishek and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Guys looking smashing as always. What are you guys wearing tonight?
Clothes, suits. Well, you give your designer's name. I'm wearing Nachiket Barve's dress design.
And I'm wearing Shiraz Siddiqui.
All right, have you guys watched the Cirque du Soleil before, or are you going to be watching for the first time?
I have. I've seen a lot of Cirque du Soleil's work before.
Yeah.
And they're absolutely stunning. And they're the most gracious dance troupe you'll ever come across. And like I was telling somebody before, they're going to give us a huge complex.
Right now you can see the fans yelling and screaming for the two of you. Is it still kind of heady when they do that?
Definitely. It
Always
puts you on top of the world.
overwhelming. You know, I mean, it's their love that really, keeps us going, inspires us to put out our best. So it's just fabulous.
All right, you guys have been at IFA now for a day. What have you guys done? What are the activities that you guys have been up to?
We've just been rehearsing. We're performing day after, so we've been very busy with rehearsals.
Yeah.
And from tomorrow we'll partake in some more of the activities that are planned out. There's a lot of press work to be done. And most importantly, the rehearsals. We have to put up a good show.
Yeah, we were working until the last minute. So we just arrived here, got to see our acts. So we're learning it and then getting down to rehearsal.
We're going to be seeing a rocking performance on the IFA stage, right?
Oh, for sure.
We've been tracking you for a really long time. We finally managed to get some time with Sushmita on the green carpet. Sushmita looking lovely as always. What are you wearing tonight?
Well, this is a very special creation from a designer in Dubai. As you can tell, it's a kaftan. But what I love about it the most is the fact that I feel like I'm suspended, very much like Cirque du Soleil.
All right, you're looking forward to watching the show. I mean, have you heard about it? Have you been
No, I
wanting to
have
watch?
watched them. I've watched them before, previously in Bellagio for the O show. I have seen Mystère, them in Las Vegas, but this particular show is the first time.
All right, you came into IFA yesterday. What have you been doing since then? Have you hit the casinos at all?
Sleeping. I did go to the casino to try my luck, and then I realized I was so tired that I needed to come back and sleep before I go and attempt it again. So maybe tonight or tomorrow.
She's the grand hostess of the IFA finale and here she's looking beautiful as ever. Lara Datta, gorgeous outfit for tonight. Where do you pick it from?
Thank you. This outfit is from Arrogant Cat. But it's just fun and young.
Okay, what do you know about Cirque du Soleil? Are you looking forward to the show?
I've watched every single Cirque du Soleil show in the past, especially their shows in Venice, and I haven't seen Zaya, so I'm really excited to be here.
Apart from that, well, you can see a lot of people in Macau are rooting for you. What else have you been doing here? We heard you tried your hands out at the sweepstakes last night.
I did. I hit the roulette tables for a bit and won, thank God. But we've spent a lot of time in the arena rehearsing for the main show because Baman, Ritesh and I are hosting it this year. I've also got a film that's being showcased this year at IFA, Do Not Disturb. So lots to do at this IFA.
One final question, Lara. Now that you're here for the whole weekend, what else are you planning to do? And how do you deal with this kind of adulation in a foreign country?
I think I'm very lucky to have it. But I'm going to have fun this weekend for sure.
Thank you so